7 Golf, wind 060 degrees, 8 knots, runway 10, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 10, clear for takeoff, so 87 Golf.
Clear for takeoff, your controls.
Clear for takeoff, my controls.
Oh, God.
Beetle 3 Charlie Tower, good evening, line up and wait,
Check
runway
thrust.
10.
Thrust
Runway
checked.
10, Charlie, hello.
Zürich Tower,
80 knots.
hello,
Check.
Victor Alpha.
Lutz and Victor Alpha, Zürich Tower, hello.
V1, rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Swiss 87 Golf, contact departure, bye-bye.
So departure, Swiss 87 Golf.
Departure Swiss 87 Golf, passing 2300, climbing 5000.
Swiss 87 Golf, departure identified, climb to flight level 120.
Climb to level 120, Swiss 87 Golf.
1,000 feet set.
Check.
Swiss 87 Golf, disregard the Todby call. You're now cleared for the ILS approach runway 09. Report localizer established.
Copy, clear as 09 and we'll course 87 Golf.
Oh, good. Cleared for approach.
Clear approach.
Emskereken number 995, descending level 90 Madras.
Kim 905, Thames, hello, good evening to you. No speed control, route direct to APEV now to join odd leg, 1 Juliet transition, runway 09.
Direct to APEV, no speed restriction
Flaps
for the
2.
odd leg 1 Juliet 09, KLM 905.
Fly 9 Alpha Juliet, descends altitude 2,000 feet, report turning base at Todby.
Charge at 2,000 feet, welcome, fly 9 Alpha Juliet.
KLM 905, descend flight level 80.
Descend level 80, KLM 905.
Fly 9 Alpha Juliet, start reducing back to 190 knots or less now, please.
Welcome, fly 9 Alpha Juliet.
Good. Non-standard flaps 3. Gear down. And cleared for approach. Approach 1 armed.
Checked.
Flaps 4.
Fly 9 Alpha Juliet, decrease further now, 160 knots or less.
Okay, 160.
Localizer live.
Check.
Swiss 87 Golf, established localizer LS 09.
Swiss 87 Golf, Voice, thank you. Contact City Tower, course only 118.080.
180.08, so calls only, Swiss 87 Golf.
Good evening, Tower, Retard 219, requesting startup for ready, QNH10.
Swiss 87 Golf, good day.
Cross transmissions, firstly, Itaro 219, City Tower Law start approved.
Glide stop alive.
Checked. Landing flaps.
Swiss 87 Golf, City Tower, good evening. Surface wind 080 degrees 11 knots, runway 09, and clear to land.
Runway 09, clear to land, Swiss 87 Golf.
Set missed approach altitude.
First feed set.
Check.
Fab check completed.
Checked. Before landing checklist.
301, holding Alpha ready.
Gear.
Down.
Down. Flaps.
Full set.
Full set. Fuel engines completed. 3 miles stabilized.
Verified.
Rotary gauge checked.
Yep, that's a.
Approaching 09. 1,500 available.
It's checked.
Checked.
500.
Checked.
Approaching minimums.
On
Autopilot.
autopilot off.
Checked.
Minimums.
Continue.
Checked.
100.
Check speed.
50.
Checked.
40. 30. 20. 10.
Auto brake.
Braking.
Checked. 60 knots.
Checked.
Swiss 87 Golf, vacate right at
600
Foxtrot,
meters
then taxi
remaining.
to hold Tango 3.
Vacate right Foxtrot and hold Tango 3, Swiss 87 Golf.
Yo, Mava, after landing sequence.
6 half, 9 Alpha Juliet.
And then after Juliet, Tower, continue number 1, expect late landing clearance, previous landing just vacating.